We are presenting the new DIRAK heavy-duty latch system for the heating, ventilation and air conditioning sector. The new product systems combine flexibility, security and functional variety, providing a future-proof solution for demanding HVAC applications. Thanks to its modular design, the system can be configured in various versions and perfectly adapted to the individual requirements of any application. Choose between 4 different handle variants to achieve the desired security level. The optionally configurable emergency release provides an extra level of safety, especially if someone is inside the HVAC unit and the door accidentally closes. The special plastic elements reduce thermal conduction between the interior and exterior to a minimum, ensuring better functionality and higher energy efficiency. In addition to its modular design, the HVAC handle offers maximum protection against external influences thanks to its IP66 certification and is ideal for harsh environments. Depending on the system, the HVAC handle can be used for surface-mounted doors regardless of door thickness, or with an axis for door thicknesses from 25 to 100 millimeters. This allows for a particularly wide range of uses, ideal for various devices and applications in the HVAC sector, as well as for mechanical and plant engineering. You can find more information about our products for the heating, ventilation and air conditioning sector at DIRAK.com. Please feel free to contact us. Together, we develop solutions that meet your specific requirements 100%.